before installing an AP. Check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. The 86mm junction box is a type of box used for pre-embedded cables and doors. A wall plate 86x86AP has the same dimensions as an 86mm junction box and can be directly mounted on such a junction box. AP installation requires the connection of an Ethernet cable. Determine the position of the junction box embedded with an Ethernet cable in each room. This video provides instructions on how to mount an 86x86 wall plate AP on an 86mm junction box. To ensure good heat dissipation, install the AP vertically. Besides, at least 30 cm clearance must be reserved around the AP. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. 2 screws are required for this installation scenario. Using a screwdriver, remove the panel of the junction box from the wall. Ensure that the Ethernet cable embedded in the junction box has an RJ45 connector installed. Insert the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port at the rear of the AP. If the other end of the Ethernet cable is connected to a PoE switch, the indicator on the AP then turns on. Fix the AP in the junction box using 2 screws. If the delivered screws are not long enough, prepare appropriate screws separately. Close the enclosure to complete installation. Check the installation, power on, and commission the AP.